Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and I am back again with another protective style, and this is from Better Lengths. This is their U-part wig, and it's their Afro Kinky Curly 16-inch U-part wig, y'all. So this is the box that it came in. I really like this box. It's nice and sturdy, and the ribbon is really cute. So I really appreciate that. And inside my box, I do have this thread and extra wig clips. And this also will be, beneficial if your wig clips get loose while washing, just normal kind of like loosening of any kind of thread later on. And it did come with this really cute scarf. So I was really excited about this because you always need a scarf. And it feels like satin. I believe it is. So I really like this pattern, really cute with some shades and some sunglasses. Well, shades and sunglasses, girl. But this is the U-part wig right here. This is the Kinky Curly. This is the Afro Kinky Curly, and it's 16 inches. You guys, this hair is so soft and so natural looking. I did wash and condition this hair, and let me tell you, I did not detangle this wig when I washed and conditioned it. I did not experience any shedded hair. The hair is so soft, and I really like that it has a nice natural luster to it. I did not apply any product to it when I air dried it. So it does have 3 clips around the U part here around the base, and it does have a comb at the end with some adjustable straps here. And this wig, my size says medium. I'm not really sure what that means, but it said medium at the bottom there. So I did adjust my straps, and I kind of like crossed them, so you would just adjust them as needed. And I'm actually gonna cut out these elastic bands around the U part, and I really like that the U part isn't super big because it allows for minimal leave out, which is my best friend because protective styling me, I don't like to have too much manipulation when it comes to my hair. So the curl pattern of this wig is so beautiful. So what I did was I did already have some twists. It wasn't really like a specific twist out that I did. I just took my smaller pieces that I already had, and this wig is actually a center part U-part wig, but since my twists were already kind of like to the side there, I decided to make it kind of like a side part. So what I'm going to do is, this is what I do. I'm going to pin my twist using some bobby pins, just as flat as I can get it. So this is how I kind of wear my hair underneath my wigs when I do have my twists. I just find it to be easier like this because I'm able to moisturize my hair when I do take my wigs off. So I just unpin them and moisturize them. So I'm going to put on this wig cap. I would highly suggest you use a black one just to help prevent any, showing of the wig cap. So as you can see, I'm going to kind of have it off to the side, and I'm just going to clip the 2 clips in the front down like so, and it's really nice and gentle. It wasn't tugging, it didn't hurt. The quality of this wig is really nice. The inside is so sturdy, y'all. Like, this is a good wig, and I'm not just saying this just to say it. So I'm gonna unravel my twist, and I feel like this is a pretty good match as far as with my twisted hair. And the hair on this wig is naturally dark like my hair, so I was like, ooh, that kind of blends pretty well. So I was really happy about that. So I'm just gonna kind of like manipulate in my leave out a little bit, but I'm not gonna do too much with it. I don't want a specific part. I just kind of want it to look kind of like a real, effortless. So I'm just gonna separate my leave out with my fingers and just kind of play with the hair. So as you can see, that's kind of like the look that I'm gonna go for, and I'm just gonna fluff up the hair a bit. And it is so natural looking. I love this U-part wig, and it's so soft. So of course I'm going to put in just a few layers on this side just to make sure it matches the shorter pieces of my real hair, just so it won't be just like, oh, leave out length. But this wig is 16 inches, and it kind of already has some natural layering in it already, but of course I just wanted to make sure I put a little of my own touch to it to make it look even more natural. Yes, I love this wig. And I'm gonna work on my edges a little bit. I'm gonna use the Cream of Nature Extra Hold Edge Control, and I love this edge control, so I just put just a small amount on my edges, and I'm just gonna brush that on in. I want a really nice soft wispy look to my edges. I don't really like too much going on with my edges, so this is perfect for me. And make sure you cover up, the U part area like that. I forgot to, so make sure you just put that piece down over that piece. But I really love this wig. I love how natural it looks. It has a really nice natural luster. The curls aren't really too defined, but they're defined just enough, giving it a really nice natural look. And I'm just kind of looking around, making sure I touch any areas that need to be touched up, just to give it a more natural look, like I said before. But I really love this wig, you guys. All the stats about this wig will be down in the description, along with the coupon code for you guys to check out if you are interested. Better Lengths also has clip-ins, y'all, and I really want to check those out next. I am loving this U-part wig. Like, I am going to be wearing this, for real, because it matches so well. So, yes, this is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to, try more styles with this. I know I can probably do a twist out with this and it'll be super bomb, but I like this kind of look. And that is the back. It's not too long, not too short. It's absolutely perfect. So as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. But don't forget to check out my previous videos here if you want to keep on watching me. I'll see you guys later.